if your cat is having a problem breathing, that is an emergency situation. You really should never be noticing any issue with breathing with your pet, just like with yourself. There's only one way we live, and that's air coming in, air coming out. Anything that gets in the way of that. Now, there's some general recommendations that can mean about air quality, just like us. I'm not a big fan of smoke for humans and our pets, and that includes everything from, legal and illegal substances, fragrances, potpourri, incense, all that stuff. If it produces smoke, get it out of the house, okay? We walk around, we're up 5 foot, 6 foot, depending on your height. The cats are around on the floor often, and so all of that particulate matter is down around them. So the air quality down on the floor is much different. So number one, avoid smoke of everything. Two, I think we all should be using air filters. It can only help, clean up that air. As far as humidity, cats are desert creatures. So we think they probably started somewhere in the Middle East when you look at, fossils and the people who know that kind of stuff. They weren't necessarily hanging out in humid Alabama. And so nothing against Alabama, but, we take pets and put them in environments that go with us. That doesn't mean that's necessarily what they're set for.